The cat couple was dancing happily on the yacht when suddenly the husband cat deliberately pushed the wife cat into the sea. Help me!
Huh? Mom.
I'm very sorry your mom slipped.
I will take revenge.
Oh no! The wife cat just lost her husband cat and brought the black cat home! Oh no! As soon as the father cat went to work, the stepmother started making the kitten work very hard and even beat the kitten for no reason. From then on, the kitten became determined to become a good police officer to avenge his mother. 10 years later, the kitten is now a police officer. He immediately started posting flyers to find the mother cat.
Hello, it's Mommy Kitten.
I really miss you, Mom.
Wow! As soon as the mother cat was found, the kitten took her home, shocking the father cat and stepmother. The kitten even brought evidence of his stepmother's adultery for his father to see.
Move forward. Move forward.
Finally, the father cat and stepmother paid the price for their actions.
Eggs are so fragrant, Mom.
Come out for breakfast, kitten.
The kitten ate breakfast very well, so his mother let him go to the amusement park.
Yeah. Let's go play.
Wow, it's wonderful! The mother cat bought tickets for the kittens to play many fun games.
It's so fun, Mom.
Oh no! When the kitten got bored playing, he asked his mother to let him ride the roller coaster.
No way, kitten. This game is very dangerous.
Oh my god! Taking advantage of the mother cat's time to buy food, the kitten sneaked out to ride the roller coaster. Oh no! Kitten! The mother cat threw away the cotton candy and ran quickly to stop the kitten. Stop now!
Oh no, Mom.
Oh no! Oh my god, my child! The roller coaster failed and shattered, causing the poor kitten to fall to the ground.
Send an ambulance, now!
The kind doctors are trying their best, and the mother cat is outside collapsing from worry about her kitten.
Congratulations! The kitten has woken up.
Time to eat, my daughter.
Okay, Mom.
Oh no! The mother cat discovered that her kitten got bad grades at school and was very angry. The kitten saw his friends playing happily outside, so he immediately opened the window to go out and play with them. Oh my god! The mother cat came to where the kitten was playing and scolded it so loudly that her friends teased her.
Mom, please forgive me.
yourself, my daughter.
Oh no, the kitten was very sad because he was constantly scolded by his mother, so he ran away from home and wandered the streets.
Hello, 911. My daughter has run away from home.
Kitten, go home. Mom won't scold you anymore.
How wonderful! The policeman found the kitten and brought it home safely.
Mom is so sorry, my daughter.
Wow! Since then, the kitten has been determined to study and get the best grades, making the mother cat very happy. This morning, the weather was beautiful, and the mother cat decided to take her kitten for a stroll in the streets.
I want to go to the market.
Oh no! Two evil black cats have targeted and chased the kitten.
Mom, save me.
The mother cat saw and tried her best to chase the kitten.
Oh my God, my child! Release my child now!
Oh no! The mother cat drove very fast to chase her kittens, so she crashed into a car. The evil black cat has received the consequences for his actions.
Mom!
Fortunately, the mother cat finally woke up and continued to have fun with her kitten.
Mom! Hello! Let's go play! Okay, let's go!
Wow! Two kittens went to the amusement park and bought tickets to the water park to play.
Come play with your friends there.
The two kittens had so much fun playing in the water park and started excitedly playing on the water swing.
Oh no, kitten!
Oh my God!
Rescue workers were very alarmed when the kitten fell and quickly called an ambulance.
God bless the kitten to get well.
Wow! The kind doctors tried their best to treat the poor kitten. It's wonderful that the kitten is healthy again, and the two little kitten friends can happily be together.
Hello, white cat.
Wow! The mother cat was away, so the white cat and black cat at home started making their own food. The two kittens had just finished eating sausages and immediately prepared potatoes and cooking oil to make French fries. Wow! The two kittens ate a delicious plate of French fries, but now the floor is covered in soy sauce and slippery oil. Oh no! The kitten slipped on the oil and fell to the floor unconscious.
The kitten slipped and fell.
Oh my God! My child!
The mother cat is very worried about her kittens, and the doctors have promised to do their best. 1 week later. The mother cat argued with the father cat, so she left home, making the two cats very sad and crying all day. Oh no! The father cat was so angry that he abandoned the two kittens in the middle of the road. The two kittens had to beg for food along the way, but were chased away by a ferocious dog.
Run quickly, sis.
From then on, the two little kittens started picking plastic bottles to exchange for money to buy food for themselves.
I brought the food back.
Hello, brother.
Oh my God, my younger sister.
Oh no! The white cat ran across the street to pick up his brother and was hit by a car. Brother Cat quickly called for an ambulance. When the sister cat was in the emergency room, the brother cat kept praying to God to bless his sister. So lucky. Finally, the sister cat was okay, and the two kittens hugged each other happily.
Brother, I'm hungry.
Poor two kittens have to wander around begging on the street in heavy rain. Today, the two sibling cats managed to get quite a bit of money, but they caught the attention of some bad guys. Oh no! The black cat gang took all the money from the two white cat siblings and banned them from begging in that area anymore.
White cats will love this hamburger.
The sister cat was very hungry. She took a risk and took a fish and ran away. Luckily, a kind old lady saw the poor little sister cat, so she took her in her car and brought her home. The brother cat was shocked and tried to chase after his sister, but it was too late. The little sister cat was very happy to be well taken care of by the kind old lady. But the cat's sister never stopped missing her brother, so the kind old lady helped reunite the two brothers. The cat couple was happily dancing when suddenly the husband cat intentionally pushed the wife cat into the sea.
Mom!
Your mom slipped, son.
Oh no! The wife cat just passed away and the husband cat has brought a black cat home!
I will take revenge.
Oh no! As soon as the father cat went to work, the stepmother started making the kitten work very hard and even beat the kitten!
Stepmother hit me. Police.
Wow! The police quickly came to the house after hearing the kitten call to report being beaten by her stepmother.
Police here.
Oh no! Oh my god! The stepmother locked the kitten in the room to hide it when the police came.
Ma'am, a child called us here.
There are no children here, sir.
Oh no! The police believed the stepmother's words and left.
Please forgive me.
Since then, the kitten has been determined to study well and trained to become a good police officer. 10 years later, the kitten actually became a police officer, and he set out to find his mother again.
Hi, it's Mommy Kitten.
Yeah. I miss you, Mom.
The mother cat has returned, making the husband cat and the black cat very angry. The kitten even gave evidence of her stepmother's infidelity. Finally, the cat husband and stepmother received the consequences for their actions. The mother cat has prepared breakfast for the kitten and is about to take the kitten to the school bus.
Bye, Mom. I'm going to school.
The kitten was on the bus going home when he was startled when he saw the dilapidated scene outside.
Hi, Mom.
Oh no! The mother cat has turned into a zombie and is chasing the kitten. The kitten goes to report to the police, but all the police have also turned into zombies. The kitten escaped from the zombies and climbed to the top of the skyscraper. He was so happy to meet a gray cat.
Wow.
Two kittens discussed a plan to destroy this herd of zombies. Two smart kittens went to the chemistry room and thought about how to make medicine to kill zombies. Oh my god! Two kittens bravely fought the ferocious zombies. Wow! After the kitten sprayed the green solution, the mother cat returned to normal.
Thank you, son.
1 week later.
Hello, good friend.
Wow! The beautiful cat is enjoying a wonderful Christmas vacation on the beach. Help me! Wow! The beach rescue cat quickly jumped into the ocean to save the beautiful cat.
Thank you very much, handsome.
Do you agree to marry me?
Yes. Honey, I'm pregnant.
8 months later, the husband cat drives the wife's cat to the beach again.
I want to drink coconut water.
While the husband cat went to buy coconut water, a monkey was eating bananas and throwing banana peels everywhere.
Oh my god, my wife!
sitting outside has always prayed for the wife cat.
This is our child husband.
Wow, the wife cat is pregnant, so the husband cat is excited to plan a mountain climbing trip with the wife.
The trip will be very interesting, wife.
Oh no! The car went straight down the cliff. The husband cat was lucky enough to cling to a tree branch, but the wife cat was not so lucky. Wow! The husband cat was clinging to a tree branch when the rescue helicopter arrived to save him.
Yeah, favorable plan.
Oh no! As soon as the husband cat came home, he called his lover to come.
Hi, honey. Your plan is great.
Wow! Mother cat tries to carry her baby and is climbing to the top of the mountain. The wife cat was very sad when she saw the black cat kissing her husband in the house. The wife cat and the newborn cat were chased away by the husband cat and had to live in an abandoned house. 10 years later.
Have fun at work, son.
Goodbye, Mom.
Oh no! While the husband cat was sleeping, the black cat took all the money and left. The husband cat woke up when he realized the consequences of his evil deeds to his wife and children.
Hello, teacher and classmates.
It's time for class.
The kitten is studying very hard in class, but his stomach is starting to hurt.
Teacher, I want to go to the toilet.
Okay, kittens are allowed out.
But when the kitten returned to the classroom, the teacher and friends turned into zombies. Luckily, the kitten was quick enough to hide in the lab room and close the door. Wow! The kitten was lucky enough to read the zombie killing book and started brewing. Wow! Thanks to his intelligence, the kitten helped the teacher and his friends return to normal life. Oh no! Poor kitten left alone at home ran into an ugly female ghost. Oh! The kitten noticed many ghostly handprints on the fridge, so it guessed that the ghost likes eating ice cream.
I invite the ghost lady to eat ice cream.
The ghost lady really loved the ice cream that the kitten gave her, but the sun came up and she had to leave with regret.
Goodbye, ghost lady.
Goodbye, kittens. Go to sleep now.
The kitten was watching a scary movie when its mom told it to go to bed.
Oh no!
What's going on, kitten?
Mom, there's a ghost.
The mother cat heard her kitten say there was a ghost, so she looked everywhere but couldn't find it.
Go to sleep, kitten.
Oh no! The ghost kept appearing and scared the kitten. Oh no! In the end, it's all just a kitten's dream.
God bless you and everyone.
The mother cat and her kitten are happily preparing to get in the car to go to the black cat's house to play.
Hello, Black Cat.
Hello, friend and son.
The white cat and the black cat talked happily after seeing each other for a long time, and the kitten already liked the helicopter. The orange cat was very surprised to see the kitten flying a helicopter, so she immediately informed the mother cat.
Hi, Mom.
Oh my God! My child! Oh no! The helicopter crashed straight into the bushes and then exploded violently.
I'm very sorry.
Wow! The mother cat bought the kitten a beautiful bicycle.
N.
Kitten, please go buy some vegetables for Mom.
The kitten happily rides his beautiful bike to the supermarket to buy vegetables for his mother.
What?
Oh no! Poor kitten was hit by a sleeping driver's car.
Oh no, what have I caused?
The driver was so bad, he left the injured kitten on the road and ran away. When the mother cat heard that her kitten had an accident, she was very distressed and ran quickly to the scene.
We sincerely offer our condolences.
The mother cat brought the camera home and discovered that the gray cat was the culprit who caused the accident. Finally, the gray cat has received the consequences for his actions. Please drive safely.
Meow, meow, meow.
were happily playing games when their mother called them in for dinner.
Okay, Mom.
Sleep well, everyone.
Bye, Mom.
Oh no! The two kitten brothers took advantage of the mother cat's sleep, took the car keys, and drove away. Oh no! The two kitten brothers drove too fast. Oh no! The motorbike was going too fast and crashes straight into the car of the two kitten sisters. The mother cat woke up to answer the phone and panicked when she heard that the two kittens were driving. Oh no, my son!
We're so sorry.
This incident is so heartbreaking. Please keep your car keys away from children.